Select the door's dimension. Preparation before installation. Before installing the smart lock, power on to test whether the function is normal. Check if the power is working. Test whether the function of fingerprint, password, IC card are used normally. Adjust the direction of the lock tongue, and then install the lock body. Adjust the direction of the lock tongue according to the direction of opening the door. Install the lock body and tighten the lock body fixing screws. Install the smart lock. Select the proper cylinder's square steel length according to the door thickness. Insert the cylinder. First install the silicone rubber pad, tube and tighten it. Install the front panel on the door, attention the hole. Install the mounting plate on the door, attention the hole. Attention! Before tightening the screws, observe whether the position of panel is parallel to the door. If they are not parallel, please adjust it. After the adjustment, fully tighten the upper and lower screws. Select the proper square steel length according to the door thickness. Select the proper anti-lock blade length according to the door thickness. Attention! Select the proper square steel and anti-lock blade according to the thickness of the door. The choice of the square steel and anti-lock blade's length directly affects the effect of installation and use. If it is too long against the clutch structure, the smart lock will be always in the open mode and cannot be used normally. If it is too short that will fall off the clutch structure, the smart lock cannot open the door normally. Connect the wire, and put the wire into the door. Attention the hole of cylinder's square steel and anti-lock blade, then install the back panel on the door. Insert the lithium battery, install the battery cover. Test locking and unlocking function. backup key function. Attention! When the battery is dead, you can use the emergency power supply. Please replace the battery in time. Please leave the backup key in the car or office just in case. Product operation. Developer setting. Press 888 and pound key to enter developer settings. Press 1 sensor mode setting, choose on or off. Press 2, door opening direction setting, choose left or right. Press 3, motor torque setting, choose low, middle, high. Press 4, invert time setting, click 5 or 8 to increase or decrease. Normal range is between 450 and 500. And administrator setting. Power touchscreen, press start key and pound key. Enter the administrator information and press pound key. The factory administrator password is 123456. Press 1, enter administrator setting, press 1, add an administrator. Enter add number and press pound key to confirm. Enter the password and press pound key to confirm. Remark: administrator passwords are best avoided with regular passwords. For example, 123456 or 6666666 or 888888. User setting. Input fingerprint user. Power touchscreen, press start key and pound key. Enter the administrator information and press pound key. Press 2, enter user setting. Press 1, add user. Unkey to confirm. Enter your fingerprint. Input password user. Enter the password. Instructions for fingerprint entry. System setting. Power touchscreen, press start key and pound key. And enter the administrator information and press pound key. Press 3, enter system setting. Press 1, set date time. 2, unlock mode. 3, passage mode. 4, language and volume. Operation demo. Fingerprint. Lock. Password. Card. Key. operation by UsmartGo app via duct Wi-Fi. Download and install UsmartGo from Google Play or App Store. Power touchscreen, press star key and pound key. And enter the administrator information and press pound key. Press 2, enter user setting. Press 4, manage wireless, Wi-Fi. Press 1, choose Wi-Fi mode. Then go back to your desktop, find and open your phone setting, and click on the Wi-Fi interface. Select the Wi-Fi name that starts with Cloud Home to connect to. Go back to the UsmartGo app. Wait for Wi-Fi search. And enter your Wi-Fi password to connect. Device connected successfully. When the doorbell on the smart lock is triggered, the app will receive a remote unlock request and record the screen. The lock can be opened remotely within 1 minute. Once the battery's close to be dead, this smart lock will sound a beep alarm, and if you forget to replace the batteries before to be dead, you can use USB backup power to power for it. If you need to reset your smart lock and re-add it, following steps below. Power touchscreen, press star key and pound key. Enter the administrator information and press pound key. Press 1, enter administrator setting. Press 4, enter factory reset. Press pound key, confirm it.